Hey everyone, my name is Tommy Reynolds. Welcome back to the channel. I've just got a letter here. I think I know what it is, so I just want to open it in front of you guys because I'm pretty sure I know who this is from. This video is going to be all about the Photography Show 2020. I am going to be giving away 2 complimentary tickets at the end of this video, so stick around to the end of this video to find out how you can win 2 free tickets. And if you're already coming to the show, then I'm also giving away 2 masterclass tickets to any of the masterclasses that you wish to visit. So that includes the Turning Pro Masterclass stage, the Pro Masterclass stage, and the Beginners Masterclass stage. So stick around to the end of the video to find out how you can win either these 2 tickets or 2 free tickets to the Masterclass stages, which I'm also going to be talking at as well. For those of you that never heard of the Photography Show, it's a trade show that happens every year at the NEC in Birmingham. It's going to be running this year from March the 14th right through to Tuesday the 17th. This is the UK's biggest photography and video show, which gets in around 32,000 like-minded visitors over the 4 days. You can also explore the latest kit from over 300 brands that come along to the show. So it's a really, really great place to come, not just for all of the obvious, but also just to meet up with friends and people that you've been speaking to online. It's great to finally put faces to the names. And I'm really excited that I'm going to be returning this year to the Photography Show to deliver quite a few talks. Let me just grab my laptop and I'll tell you what I'm doing. One thing that I've also noticed looking at the Photography Show's website that's new this year is they've got a couple of new stages. So as well as the usual stages, they have like the social media stage, the behind the lens stage, the photo live stage, the video live stage, etc. They do have a couple of brand new stages, which I've only just realized. They also have an analog spotlight stage, which I'm actually really excited about. I didn't realize that was there until now. So it looks like they have a shutter street stage. That looks like it's going to be interesting. Street photography's become increasingly popular over the last couple of years. So if you're into that, you should definitely check out some of the talks that are happening on that stage. So if you're trying to decide which day to come, maybe you can only come for one day, then my advice if you're trying to decide is to look at all of the talks that are happening. Have a look at all the 4 days and try and decide which day is going to be the best day for you to come based on the talks that are happening for you to get the most out of it. Yes, it's great to have a look around and wander around and have a play with the gear, but that's going to be there for all 4 days. But the talks are not obviously going to be the same every day, so I would judge it based on the talks that are happening. So I'm going to be giving a talk on the Turning Pro Masterclass stage on both the Saturday and the Sunday, both at 10:30 AM in the Tote Suite. And I'm going to be giving a talk about sharing your creative process, why it's important that you guys should share your creative process, and how not only is it good for your social media, but how sharing your creative process could potentially lead you to some paid work. So please come along to that if you are free. On Monday the 16th, day 3, I'm going to be over on the photo live stage. That's going to be at 12 o'clock till 12:30, and that's going to be all about cinematic lighting. We're going to start with 1 light, then 2 lights, then progress up to 3 lights and show you an additive process to show you that it's not as scary as you might think using multiple lights. We're going to build the setup from scratch so that you can see how I do it and how to achieve it yourself if you wanted to try this yourself. That's a really good one. I'm really excited about that. That's going to be quite a big demo. So yeah, please come along to that one if you are free. And on day 4, on the 17th of March, I'm going to be on the Pro Masterclass stage, again in the Tote Suite. That's going to be at 11:10, and I'm going to be talking about personal projects. I'm going to be talking about how you can design your life around what you love and help find your style. So that's going to be over on the Pro Masterclass stage on the Tote Suite. As well as that, I'm also going to be back on the Pixapro stand delivering a demo every day. I'm going to be there Saturday, Sunday and Tuesday at 12:30 PM. And on the Monday, I'll be there at 3 o'clock. So if you are around for those times, please do come along, say hello and check out the demo. It'd be good to see you all. Right, so for your chance to win either 2 complimentary tickets to the show or your choice of 2 tickets to any of the masterclass stages, all you need to do to win is drop a comment below. If you want the masterclass tickets, then just leave a comment saying masterclass. If you are a beginner and you want those free entry tickets, then just type in free entry in the comments below. 1 week before the show, I will pick the winners at random, so make sure you get your comments below before the 7th of March, and I really hope to see you guys there. Cheers guys, bye bye.